Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Pour raw milk into a clean jar and add your starter, 1 tsp per cup, or follow packet rehydration instructions. Stir gently to distribute cultures. Avoid vigorous shaking so oxygen levels stay moderate. Once mixed, cover with a breathable cloth or loose lid to let gases escape while keeping contaminants out. Place the jar in a stable spot at 65-72 degrees F and note the start time. This early control of temperature and inoculum size determines fermentation speed. Once underway, watch how the milk thickens and separates. Check at 12 hours and every few hours after. You want a creamy, slightly separated texture, not curdled. Make sure temperature stays steady. Cooler slows cultures, so allow extra time, and warmer speeds acidity increase. If the top separates unevenly, gently stir once to redistribute cultures, then recover. Smell and taste lightly. A clean tang indicates progress. Keep everything clean. Each handling risks contamination, so move decisively but carefully. When the kefir reaches a thickened, tangy balance you like, strain if you prefer a smoother texture, then refrigerate immediately to slow further fermentation. Cold storage preserves flavor and stops acidity from climbing. Consume within 7 to 10 days. If it tastes too sour, dilute with fresh milk or reduce your next fermentation time by 1/4 to 1/2. If you detect rotten smells or visible mold, discard the batch and sanitize equipment thoroughly before starting again to avoid recurring contamination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.